A very good morning to everyone. Every year, India celebrates Engineers Day on September 15th, the birth anniversary of Visvesvaraya. Who is this great man? So, Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, who was fondly called Sir MV, was literally the builder of India, the builder of dams and water systems, which not only boosted irrigation facilities but also saved a large number of people from the floods. He was an engineering pioneer of India whose genius reflected in harnessing of water resources and building and consolidation of dams. He went on to become India's most prolific civil engineer, dam builder, economist and statesman. He was one of the most prominent builders of the 20th century. When Visvesvaraya was the Diwan of Mysore from 1912 to 1918, he transformed the state to then what was known the model state. For his numerous industrial, economic and social projects, he was called the father of modern Mysore. Visvesvaraya was also the chief engineer responsible for the construction of the Krishnarajsagara Dam in Mysore, the biggest in Asia at that time. In 1909, when the city of Hyderabad was in danger of getting flooded, Visvesvaraya was appointed as special consultant engineer to make the city flood-proof. His inventive engineering work saved the Visakhapatnam port from erosion. Visvesvaraya is credited with inventing the block system, automated doors that close water overflows. He was designed and patented the floodgates, which first installed at the Khatpasala Reservoir in Pune in 1903. Visvesvaraya established Government Engineering College in 1917 in Bengaluru, which was later named University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering in his honor. Due to his outstanding contribution of the building of India, the government conferred Bharat Ratna on him in 1955. He was also awarded the British knighthood by King George V, which put the honorific Sir before his name. Thank you.
Whenever we hear the word engineering, we perceive it to be something boring. But almost everything around us, from the tallest buildings to the smallest stapler, everything wouldn't have been possible without engineering. For example, the Ferris wheel. Did you know that the Ferris wheel is considered one of the greatest engineering wonders of all time? The first Ferris wheel was created by a Pennsylvania engineer named George Ferris in 1893. It was supported by two 140-foot steel towers and connected by an axle which was 45 foot tall, which was considered the largest axle of forged steel at that time. Also, all the beautiful structures that we go visit, the Eiffel Tower, the Channel Tunnel, the Empire State Building, the Burj Khalifa, all of these wondrous places were possible through the study of engineering.
Engineering is of countless types, all of which work to make sure that society can function in a convenient manner. A few of the different types of engineering include civil engineering. When we talk about engineering, the first thing we think of is civil engineers. This is because everything around us, roads, bridges, canals, airports, and all public works are made thanks to them. Without civil engineering, the world as we know it would not exist. Mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering involves the study and design of mechanical and thermal devices, including tools, engines, and machines. Without mechanical engineers, we would not even be able to print out our favorite poem. Chemical engineering. Ever wondered who makes the products we use every day, such as plastics, pharmaceutical products, and personal care products? Well, we have our chemical engineers to thank for creating the essential commodities which are household staples all around the world. Automobile engineering. Perhaps everyone's favorite kind of engineering, the automobile engineering industry has grown by leaps and bounds in the past 2 decades. Automobile engineering deals with all aspects of automobile making and is a truly fascinating field. Aeronautical engineering. Just like automobile engineering, aeronautical engineering has also become a much coveted career. There are many reasons for this, but the most obvious one is that it deals with creating one of the biggest marvels of the world, the machines which fly high in the sky. What's not to love? Architectural engineering. Architectural engineering deals with understanding all aspects of designing, understanding building norms and construction materials. Biomedical engineering. This field of engineering has garnered interest over the last few years because it deals with applying the principles of engineering with biology and medicines. How can that pairing not be an interesting field of study? Electrical engineering. Even though we all know what engineers of this field do, most of us take them for granted. However, without electrical engineers, we would not have most of the devices that we use to stay connected with the world. Geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering uses principles of soil mechanics and rock mechanics to investigate subsurface conditions and materials. Geotechnical engineers have helped us know the risks of different land surfaces and are essential in understanding the problems which hinder all other kinds of engineering. Computer engineering. Last but definitely not the least, we cannot forget to mention the brilliant work of computer engineers, without whom this virtual assembly would not even be possible.
Commuting in populated and busy cities like Chennai, Kolkata and Bangalore would have been so difficult, and there wouldn't have been an alternative for rush hour traffic if not for our metro man Sir E. Sridharan's discovery of the first ever metro in India in 1970, laying down the infrastructure of modern engineering in India.
Romance is not for me, I need electricity. If you wanna make me flip, hit me with a microchip. I'll be a diode, cathode, electrode, overload, generator, oscillator. Make a circuit with me. Just plug in and go, go, go. I'll be a human dynamo. Signals in my power card. Impulse in my circuit board. I'll be a diode, cathode, electrode, overload, generator, oscillator. Make a circuit with me. I'm in a sneaky man. You can be my circuit diagram. I need all electric tolls. I need 50,000 volts. I'll be a diode, cathode, electrode, overload, generator, oscillator. Make a circuit with me. Sweet romance is not for me. I need electricity. If you wanna make me flip, hit me with a microchip. I'll be a diode, cathode, electrode, overload, generator, oscillator. Make a circuit with me. Diode, cathode, electrode, overload, generator, oscillator. Make a circuit with me. Diode, cathode, electrode, overload, generator, oscillator. Make a circuit with me.
that came before us, and bless those that come after us. Please infuse them with the spark of your divine wisdom, so that as they do their work, it is really your work that is being done. Make them your instrument, Lord. Guide their hands, inspire their minds, and open their hearts to the needs of those around us. Grant them the favor to use their talents and gifts to glorify your kingdom. Thank you, Lord.